guys, this is Otoshebo Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook on Otoshebo Mama page. You can also see me on Otoshebo Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Scatter. Ebe khoire lue aire nyenu were gba no wa bukpon. Wetin dey tell dey when I not tell dey shit, they give you make you time and join your rapper where. If you come out, they talk of marriage. It go be like say she get experience of marriage. They say those that have the experience of marriage, now they get opinion when marriage issue come on social media. You have never been once married in your life. You got pregnant when you were in primary 4. Then that pikin become Pisilia. May I put Pisilia for you? Who do with Pisilia now? I work bon adult delinquent. Edomio ye o worry. Di tono toss ni. We know the shame. Useless fool. Well, Priscilla, working well. I pray make the picture not come on for you. I get where I pack Priscilla picture put. You must see no bone mwalo. It's a shameful thing to your useless mother. The boy money mo na we wole bo. Me bossa bolu ogbonishen le mi Facebook. Imo na to my well imi omiesu. Omiesu. Onesu no gbomio lele. Okpaika esu no gbomio lele. Julu na living no gbamono so le but useless omono so ye. Useless woman. You know they even think say where the area your emerere you know they walk. You know the reason say if why you no get shame? The woman when you they do live video they talk to, it get us my house. It get us my house. You when they talk to a person, you are never once married in your life. This woman that is here now, Pisilia, she got pregnant of Pisilia when she was in primary school, primary 4. She was age of 12 to 13 years. She don't know anything. She's a foolish babu, fool. Then she got pregnant of this girl. As you are seeing this girl has no father. You see these products that you are seeing here, you don't get papa. I don't want to use ash word. No say children when don't get papa, they get waiting that they call them. Then I wish now say make it bring Priscilla papa come. Then I wish you know you pikin no get papa. Because why? They come, they took hand for her breast. They took hand for her body. Now, so she take get belly. The woman, when she they talk to, the musician, when she they talk to, go London, United Kingdom for there. Every year, Charlie. The woman don't carry her children, enter abroad. Enter the day, UK. The woman not come abroad as you take useless, as you take do a shower, you pay 75 million naira to who carry you come. The woman not use ipekus. They do ashi. They carry happy kid come Europe. You pay, you were proud that you are a prostitute. You said it on social media. And the same time, you said on social media that you pay 75 million lire Come reach today, you no fit carry your pikin enter abroad. Your useless passport when you hold is useless. The day when you go die now, that passport go die. Hey! Hey! I don't want to cry and cry for this social media again. Your passport has no value. The day you will buy now, your passport will just buy like that. Everything about you will just go like that. You don't even give your daughter passport. You don't fit give your grandchildren documents. Woman when he sing, gather the money, he use and take carry children come UK. You go use chair sit down. If you dey talk, you will say you dey advise am. Okay, you're going they advise her. Ask me whether not be to be that. She go say she dey advise a lady or song. I don't understand though. As you are spent, whether I want speak Ishan, speak Bini, speak English, whether as you are spent 30 years in Europe, you not get one building of your own. They will say, now they don't wish, now you build this house. You not build. Why you know the shame? There is some matter you don't even to put opinion. You don't even don't use it to run live video. Because you are not qualified. You are not qualified to talk to somebody that is married. That woman don't born. If I married before, he still married now in their husband house. You never go husband house one day. You go come Facebook, you stress it and say, I want advice. Oh, you they advice, you don't bath. Where hoa? If this woman they talk sometimes and they walk out, they come, I see one stupid blogger. That blogger, may you know they blog this bagger video. I will still block you come out from my wall. Because they come what now the blogger when they now useless blogger now they blog a day and wish. Real normal. You don't see blogger, you don't ever see real blogger, they blog a day and wish. Which blogger want carry the day and wish video? What say the day and wish they talk? And you know, see Priscilla. Your mate when you enter abroad, your mate, when you enter abroad together, now abroad, now that they go do a mugo. Their grandchildren, they here with their daughter. Do not fit carry your pikin come abroad. Somebody will be say he willingly, he use his brain. They put children come up from Nigeria, carry and come United Kingdom. Now you go use chest it down say you the sagara or you the advisor. You way get sense. Why Priscilla still in Nigeria? I don't understand. Maybe I only advisor. Is this frustration? Is it cup of frustration? So you not say no when the frustration of other year kwa. Frustration no say no we mumo if avoid other year kwa if food come dey throw away. Can you imagine? Esther when they talk, na yes it dey o. Na yes. You go buy ticket all the way from UK. You go transit from Morocco, from Turkish, enter Morocco, from reach Etiseboko. From Etiseboko, you don't reach Bini. Where you don't get house of your own. Just say more to say 3-bedroom flat. Even if it's not 2-bedroom flat, it go be your own base. Who can wake up and the dark baraki daho? You know get. She go they talk. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? What kind of a disgraceful, foolish, useless woman this woman is? You are a shame, disgrace to your community. No, you're not too small. To the British community, the time when you want to carry shame, go and walk in with that time. Ada muwa buru, they hold your hand, they ostracize you. Ada bewe, ada yowe na nueche nawe gwai. Why you they talk put for Edo State matter? You when they swear for palace for walking with when no one more talk. You drink water as a day drink water for a guy for Bini. This useless woman drink water for a walking for palace. Okay, after when you know they want every day, your mother is a this thing. Now this thing to our okay, you're walking, you know, don't react. You know they should go carry Pisilia con. If you not carry Pisilia con, anything when you they talk, you know they make sense. Don't mono sorry, we are tackling with cow, we are advice, tackling with advice. But show me one a dead DJ. One a dead DJ. Why do I advise never? That is where it pisses me off sometimes. People that is greater than build things with their brain. If you guys want to talk on their issue, you don't even look that this person that you want to talk on her issue is better than you 100 times. Nothing. You just go Europe, you just become a useless pocknoser. You pock nose. You dey find people. Now say they follow me that time. I want to know. You dey mad. What if me water? The people when you go ask of me that time, what did they tell you? You too small. Now me be ni Karin. Me ni Karin ni titi one. Now me. You dey learn. See your picking. You know the shame. You are a disgrace to motherhood. The woman when you they talk to, he carry children come abroad. Where you're old. How many years now when that woman children they abroad? I be like say don't reach 3 years now. You have been abroad since when that woman don't come. The first visit when that woman don't visit Nigeria, I think from Nigeria visit abroad. That I think now 4 years now you go there now rather kind 4 years. Yes, around that 4 years 2019. 4 years plus, they go 5 years. Now carry children come. You don't spend 30 years, 3 decades. Now you don't spend for Europe. You don't feel pull your picky come abroad. You they come, they talk. You they fool yourself. You they disgrace yourself. You are practicing what you don't know. When you don't know the leaf when they make herbal medicine. You are just carrying you don't know how to speak English. You don't know how to speak Binio. When is it go do Ashawo? You don't know how to speak Bini. No that be a representative of your own now where the Bini. Bini no there react before no that but job ko. Nothing. Very useless, condemned elements. And they not go one. It's a pity that you when pikin dey Nigeria, you don't fit carry your pikin come. You go dey talk to a person when his children they abroad. Like me now, you won't come talk to me, love me. When my children they abroad, you won't come talk to me. I will say I born before for Nigeria. I for carry my pikin enter abroad. I will say I born for Nigeria. I die abroad, my pikin go to Nigeria for waiting. While in Nigeria, I'm a Jujai. Now person house, you go they stay under somebody's roof. You are talking. I'm a boo well, nothing when you defeat brick command. You are low say where. Hey, half life. And I just there with you. You are a disgrace to motherhood. You are a disgrace to Pisilia. Pisilia is a disgrace to you. On a hoilo no rabeki. She don't even know what she's saying. As this woman now say, wait till she dey talk. She don't know. She go just drink akpe finish. She go go dey talk. I'll tell you say now look me. Now for come. Or tell big back yeah. Or full leg boy. Disgraced boy. Okay, yo, he go say you want advice, but I don't understand though. I want advice you. How? How you want to advice? Huh? What went down later? Huh? No, sir. Oh, disgrace. Oh, Priscilla, is a useless babu. Your mama mwalo. She's a disgrace. She's a useless mother, complete useless mother. A woman no other have beer or no more in Nigeria. Or Lojave ni go come for because they shock. The last time I check, as our sister talk, the bed when he go visit the pikin, the chair when he pikin pull head, I block am 130 time. I want enter and I no let me enter again. Make I come show now the chair when he pikin take dey sleep for house. Okay, after me one, I'm about water. I don't even know what she don't even know what she dey talk. Who the doctor then you know well for where don't know where. So that your high BP where just sit to where rise. So that your high BP you go dey normal. As doctor say make it take stand. No. Jealousy. Oh yeah, boss ready make yere. I'll be make it don't buy cow. Make it don't buy chicken. Make it don't buy goat. Make it don't buy this. Make buy cow. Not be make a girl. Oh yeah, go you make it. Oh no, call no rabbit. Now I don't want to name it tinegini. I don't know women now. Oh women no women baku. Foolish, useless woman. When they craze for Milan that time. Because I said, na me, one can't do saga. You don't bath. You don't bath. Nothing when you feel bring come as a mother. There is no property when you feel bring come say, this is my property. It's not there. All Bono boy sebe wole bo. Na tutu hero akpagili yeri na de wear. Tutu hero akpagili yering. Ono kona ne owegbe. You are ashamed. Go see women like you. E muni mono sere. Wetin they go take dress? Na ri. Akpagili 15 euro yering. 5 euro yering. 7 euro yering. Now you say yere mwegbe wole bo after how many years for Europe? Where abonu hoana. Waro pakokpare, ware vakevare. You are just a disgrace. You are just a disgrace. You don't even know say, yeah, there is something when you know correct for your life. You they know say something. They see waiting you know feel correct for your life. Now put for yes so. Whether all. Oh me musi Kenya. See waiting you know feel correct for your life. The day when you go just snubber by now, your passport is useless. They will just claim and come for system. How can a woman when they Europe when he get passport, he became de Nigeria? The day when this woman go die, now passport will just die for long. There is nothing when Priscilla feel a reach for his hand as a mother. Oh, I am feeling educated for your matter. Mention alibi. You need that. I don't know say. Quick, tired because I don't know that say you go take 3 hours. You don't go husband house. You don't sleep with man. They go break the man penis. Now go wake you. No. Oh what I got husband. Or go me on every Facebook. They show say they get husband. He go just see no come out. Why? Who be your wine? You get man who marries you. Bring your traditional marriage picture. Bring your wedding marriage picture. If na common now you do with a white breaker. If na white wedding you do with a white, bring up. Then no one we go where we want like walk me carry a con. You when they want marry, you then Nigeria the man when want marry you, he gog you, he marry you again. Very useless woman. They say that they who they tell me say if they teach people how they take they wash eye. Now the person me with a laugh. What be that yo? Huru no ribena. Or muno sibore. She cannot even take off herself. All her whole body, it don't spoil. If the day when this woman go buy, nothing when they go commute. Say na spare. They'll say this one na spare eye, spare vein. They want go keep on. Make they say any. You know say if people die, their organ. They see they get organ when they see they save people life. This one who real so now. Now you go drink oyibo medicine. Now you go drink native doctor medicine. Who na here chemist or one. Who walk up boy one. She go just they talk. I don't know who you they fight. The people, these two women, are they fighting? They are not fighting. She just carry on Very useless. So she don't even know. She don't even have boundaries. She don't even know, say, this is her space. She don't know when to start and when to stop. She just they run everything together. Because why? She's adult delinquent. Illiteracy. Now they warrior. Go school, you no gree go. Is still there UK? Eh? Go school for UK? No. Still go there. Little bit of education is going to help you. You don't say, don't hold. I don't hold. You go book it, judge. Oh! Oh, wait. Useless woman. Only picture not that I brought in New York. She know the shame. Huh? And she dey waka dey come that time. She say, "Na me she want come take dey do saga." Agbe ya we. Me amwende ke kike yo kwa bonache ya me na re hokun kwa. Na Nigeria she go for years, yeah. But the year. Oh, I may go Nigeria. They get fine house, get AC. No, okay, I don't they drive fly up and down, fly up and down. Abua. Where do buwa? Eh, the nigga now we vie, where we shan't do. What say ye doctor? Do we say on what say we bini? Where don't do the ass rich? Very useless woman, friend. Very useless. This woman. If he nyame da ya ki so boweto aduna wikidina ina so boweto na wikidina nonik meloniki vo dagbare with that your eye bag. Very hopeless foolish woman. Make I cover this teeth wey be like survey. Ebe igba na wi regbo no someone kan ni no da be mi na who cure ya. Okwo mu matter or water Demon. I'm hello. You don't go anywhere, mama. She don't leave you. I say for where you go don't leave me. At the back of the slogan. Can't talk. I tell say if you not carry up, you can't talk. If they say message to lovely, you they waste time. Because the priority of a woman is children. Where is your priority? You dump your priority in elsewhere. Where is it? Somebody will ask you, how long have you been in Europe? You will get mad, open your mouth, say you don't reach 30 years. How is your children doing over there? You go tell them, say, your children in Nigeria. On the way, they mention your name every day. Now your koro. You they say for social media where you carry your children from Nigeria enter UK. How many children that woman carry enter UK? No reach 2 or 3. Only one. When you born, you not even carry ordinary cloth when you wear. May you carry and call you. What a suwa? Ukmoni pisilia yo. Rebuy reava de bolebo. If you go Nigeria again, also in Nigeria, that woman who cure hypertension when they worry you. I don't know why she even get hypertension. Why do you have hypertension? Why you get sugar? Why you get hypertension? Not be say that your company now fire cash. Don't say as fire catch your company, then you slump off. They rush you reach hospital. Now you can't get heart attack. You more we biebun. You me we move out the whole bona. Don't say as they carry pikin they come. Now they can't repatriate pikin. No, why hypertension they worry you? Just a winner. Already hypertension worry. Can you imagine? What a coincidence. I can't see this kind of person for social media. I don't make friends with fools. No. People will not get this plan B. I don't get it down with them. If you don't have plan B, I don't get it down. Any moment you see say at the talk, or think them my head when be say I want go do. She don't have plan B. She nothing. She will just dey social media or her body can go just they disgrace herself. How many Asian women say that they disgrace herself like that? Which beneath woman when they at your age when they disgrace herself now only ije boy they dey one room no go one more. Now let that one they fool himself. If that one, if body dey learn and you go carry breast come out, only no here fiawu. Make that one go carry pikin when he throw away put for inside market. Make it go carry and come say I beva. It dey gbolikia for pressure. Very useless women. Fuene. Very disgrace. See this day when they social media. Una no carry on children come. Una dey advice. Eh? I don't know who not the advice. Now wow. Yeah. Me want even advice. Una get brain. Why una pikin dey Nigeria? Una get brain. Why una pikin dey Nigeria? This useless down. They na wish. Since when you relocate go UK, you cannot invite your pikin. You don't feel invite your. You can invite your daughter with the 2 children. You go feel invite the come. If they say one day she say she go fit carry 10 people come. Now only one me I will fit carry come. The one when I will fit carry come, now it be your pikin so carry and come. The remaining 10 people when you say you want carry come, leave them to me. Just give me that 10 people. I am qualified to bring 10 people come. Even one say you don't qualify to bring one come. Look at your daughter. Eko elue o sonworia, geboria jaje. Oh! Oh! Who doing? Eh, Kibo. Ne akwi lora kage ni. Hello. Hello, na lovely. Zabel, you are not very. It's not where he on the fire issue people where you want to help. It's such lovely. You know, hello, good evening, live lovely. Somewhere that was a no abibini. He got the fire issue. He called the issue. Make the issue. Never. He used Benin people to fight me finish. Is he say those one no fit carry my leg? They don't fit carry my hand. I'm aware na leg. Now he says all the Benin they don't run live. You can't go meet each other. They say they can't call her. Where's Zobo? Orukbe Zobo. That the word when she they talk for social media. Orukbe Zobo. I think well you use Ukbe zi lovely boy. Where Ukbe zi lovely boy? It's not where he. Yeah, no, you say no. I be partly Bini. Live lovely. Not mine now. That lovely. Today now, the children never leave you. They don't leave you. They don't kawa. Shame and disgrace go follow you. Now they follow the shame when you don't carry for a walking years back. Now the shame still they worry you so. As Zenule, you know use better. Now you come social media, come tell people say your mama now witch. When your mama still go on car, it's still for them. Now you still come the rock powder say your mama go on car. Shameless fool. This woman, she no joke get sense at all. I don't even tired to talk about this woman matter. I am fed up talking about this adult delinquent, you know, tired of her. She's irrelevant. Eh? You cannot call this woman for business. Only what this woman know how to do. Saka. That it is when it make you for it. Back home. God dentist. No. God remove horror for your eye. No, I don't ask Gogo that. If I ask Gogo now, maybe the eye now to remove one go don't reach 5,000 euro. Anyway, mama, you go don't reach 6,000. Shameless goat. Aren't you ashamed of your old age? You know the shame of your old age as old as you are. Inawe kijabo sonku. Inawe kijabo sonku. Oh! Oh. Ati me wore wa ni. E wore wa. O kwonu wete ya wi You we. We wa ge nya oko de wo a. E we no. I was my sister. Now my sister be use wait no. She not there as I will call her me I laugh. You say oh email. You were no. No what I wish when you wear me will tell now where you were no. Me when he gets to war over. My sister go first now. So say she not there, she go first. You say no. Email. Email. No, I'll pick up. Something. People when they call you, mama, they deny you now. Go to. Ow! If I won't cry for you, I won't cry or cry. Oh, Arugwa. Matter when dog you were gone. Oh, when we're walking out there, when I was done, you will not wear you were no. Una wear you were no. Every. See, children. Now, the mono soy. I was a bomb with a label. Every audio. Oh, okay. Oh. What did they pay now? She can't lost for person progress. She can't lost, she they lost for person progress. She's full of jealous. When she see say you better pass her, she won't buy. She use a rich way I do. Now so see this one. Where me am when ki mwe na that mwe I will season. Look at where we can huna. You know say if they drink medicine, I will choke you, foolish woman. Honorary ruine. Now be they call just now. You know the house. Eruwa. Oh, you were ye. Oh, what the one you was there? Oh, Dugbo. Oh, what the meow Dugbo. Oh, I shall ruine. Oh, this a musha. Oh, that can no. If they say one day in their live video, she they say, me and they call her mama before. Me I say, if they pay you for body, now say I don't they call you mama again. But then you're working. But then you're working. But I ain't working. That's I call look at like this. Pion. I say you be also, and I say God forbid. Kai. The person will tell me. The person say, you see, they call you mama. He says, they don't they call you mama again. I say, what did they call you? He said, they call her Beatrice Okpaika. He said, that one they want to do more that disgrace. As I don't be so, but me what China. If you all know me now, use this one to do mama. Pwè. Fine. Honoré Louis ne. When they call you mama, why Louis ne mama. May you get your oriari way. Now me tell her say nobody in her. Oriari way, back oriari way. Our mama na lie. Now say give her a go. I when I lie. Boy I lie. Me go when I lie. Now where either oriari every no. Curia. Nama cola. You see your life. They say you do live video, they come and say they now say no na live and frustration they worry. I say make na go right for a comment section. Make she carry Pisilia come abroad. Your pikin you dey forbid abroad. Yeah. I drink water. Your pikin dey forbid this water. That day now she reach Nigeria, ma cellophane take dey drink water. Cellophane. People when they go Nigeria. Charlie Bow and Baby. Which I want even itself. I don't want to change my mind to call it pounded down. No. I want to eat fried rice. That's why I don't get your time. I don't say I tell you if I did another thing now the reason. I say. Eh! Oh, jealousy, what jealousy? Just the jealousy. You know the jealousy that woman say that woman carry children come abroad. Now they beat and put to. The other day now they say that Gloria, now no Gloria now. That girl when be musician. They say she used the girl to do saga. Now say Atenaria Oriato bote. Esa oye. Atenaria Oriato bote. Beatrice Okpaika they didn't wish. Atenoria Oriato bote. Me. Ebi me va sabor use me mufia. Nobody will go feel use am. Wait and throw away. As I throw away Okpaika. Who don't feel use you since when I throw away you? Nobody. Only when mama say, you read to say, nobody go feel use Okpaika. As you throw away am. She mad person no go even carry am. What is that? Papa, give me my boss. We want the long and without saying that. Give me my boss. Come and call on Oraweki. Every. Now, every member, many lovely, make him wear me fear. Me arrange if fear. Nobody can use that thing. Oh. Nobody can use it. Since when I throw away you now, who will use you? Nobody. Well, all the whole live video presenter, who never with friend. Wait there, they day with you. Me I can't. Me I can't. Me I can't. You go well all day. Thank you, Papa. Let me remove those shoes. You don't eat it, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, that's good. I don't mean mommy that don't lay now. Me I can't. You go meet Lolo. I wait to happen. You go meet retire me. You go meet voice of Bini, Northern Niga. You go meet Keto Dear. A lot of live video presenter, a lot. I don't know how to you'll be like say person not get waiting, you want use the time to do. Wait there. Alright, bullet disgrace again. Useless, foolish woman. Say to you, my personal person, how you do? How your body they do you? How you enjoy your Saturday? And now it's Saturday. How your family now? Nonsense. Jealousy. None what I name you now. Only bonya na jealousy one killer. Where Gloria? Gloria when they say, we have to go. You ask am whether is your Okpaika husband. The day when person come, he say, it's the saga Gloria. Una no Gloria, na that girl, that musician, that Asian musician. In the saga now. I say, in the saga that small girl, they say in the saga now. They say you get video when with that one talk when with that one talk, she can't dey play am. I don't know why this woman, she's useless. She don't get motherly love. She don't get any love. A woman that have motherly love, not be everything just they bounce on. You don't bounce on any trouble that comes to your way. Even if the person not follow her, do trouble. She must come disgrace that person. Why you feel say your disgrace gets waiting, it go come out for person life. As you come to say you want to disgrace me that time. You know, she say na laugh, I can't they laughing. I will pay Galasi, man. Right, passport, talk before me. Passport, talk before me. Oh, heavy. Passport, me before you. But the passport, you. When you use the passport to do, I can see your mate, name passport, error money near. They use to bring their children. Their children get passport. Your age mate, when they carry their children to Europe that time, their grandchildren, they get passport. I will say you carry your pikin enter Europe, that I think your grandchildren now forget passport. I don't know who they represent. I don't know what she's representing. An illiterate? How can she talk to somebody where they educate? How can an illiterate talk to educated person? And the way they know the person said not even go school. She's not even learning. She dey talk, and when one person say, Mama, he said she dey talk, so she don't know what she dey talk. I said she dey throw away. Or if you won't wire back. Eju working that do with Gloria. Gloria is not a live video presenter. Oh. Gloria won't be live video presenter. Gloria, that musician, Gloria, na musician, na he be that Ishan girl. She carried that one. They say she can't saga that one. I say, ooh, me yoga no be me know the day na wish. Me let Gloria. I know how to understand person very well. And that kind of person, I can follow you, make friendship for 30 years. If I say me with you no quarrel, we no go quarrel. Since the day na winch, since I don't grow rich like this, the day na winch is the first person when I don't carry the insult every day by day. I have never in my life carry a woman at her age. I will carry you. I will carry the sit down for day. You are a shameless fool. You are a disgrace. The other day, Nana Meg. You know they talk of Meg again on a hoelo. The children that they are looking you, they don't learn from you. You are a disgrace to Facebook community. She's a disgrace to my Suhabe company. You are a disgrace. I don't even know how my Suhabe allowed this delinquent adult illiterate I wish say that they use brain to enter there. This woman, she will not have chance in this my Suhabe and this thing. She will not get chance. Who's gonna give this one chance? Somebody that cannot read. She can't read. Just come on I. She don't know the meaning of I. Where? Where? Who should they motivate? How will I motivate? Say, okay, what do you want to motivate person now? Let's say, for example, now, they will say, if you are a live video presenter, you've been in Europe for so many years, you have children, you bring your children all the way from Nigeria to Europe, this motivational speaker, you are included. Where you want for start? Can you proceed? Because the Facebook is a street where you go just pass. I will say in a class where they sit down, they use brain. You not go fit now. You not go fit. I will say Facebook say in a class say desk full everywhere. Teacher go they teach you. You will hold your pen and your notebook, your textbook. You won't get space there because it's not a class. That is why you get space. It's a public domain. Now it make you get space. I wish this is a class where they study. Did you think how can you do it? So when office say ordinary come, give this one barrow now. Tell them say make it right come. How many alphabet they come? Only 4 alphabets. She no go fit. Just see as it be. Or the person when he go Nigeria, now be this one. He be like who they craze for streets because she has no good place to just relax. No AC, nothing. House when she they go stay. She can't even buy benzina. The other time somebody is coming say, I say, Mama, say, the message when you send this one, she they do. I'm gonna have a wish message say she on light. Now say, maybe she don't buy fuel. She don't buy fuel. She go there inside darkness. She they do like this. useless woman. Agidonji your son lesi na bikwawi adaneva igbo mate. Agidon say look mom your phone. They got to say she dey wear clothes. Rags. You wear rags. Useless woman. Breast go come out for you. I don't understand. How can somebody go wear clothes? Breast go come day and pit. Is that a good tailor? Tailor don't fit pack your breast. See how breast go come day here. Only where who talking? Who person use that to do live video? You say if you wear clothes, you say who will talk and say? Who be that person will use that to do live video? Now say, hey, you see what they see? Say breast go full everywhere. Which tailor? Eh? They construct that rags when they wear. Rags. Very useless woman. The turn that I get they say, and they look baby new. Now got they look and say, she idiot. Go on. I tell you, say, before we at or make it like you don't talk. You don't talk. Your word is useless. Your speech is nonsense. You don't talk. Before you will gather your obi, before you gather your mind, say you want to talk to Lovely, say, I will say, a day na wish talk. Let me see Priscilla for UK. Priscilla, they come down for airport. If Priscilla, they come down for airport, write message to Lovely. I know they wash you. Maybe one person go say, Mama, she dey line. I don't wash you because you don't talk. You don't know how to talk. You don't know how to align words. You don't know how to do it. That one say you go jump for your entire, you go jump for your entire, you go jump for your entire, you come they laugh one kind like Abby, you are a fool. Compound fool. She's a Facebook fool. This woman just reached 40 years. Her stupidity, it didn't drop it at 40. She took it along with her. Are you kidding? You're supposed to drop your stupidity. You're supposed to, your foolishness. You're supposed to drop it at age of 40. That's going to be a bad gun. No, you never did that. You take it along with you now. You'll be 57 years. The day she papa. Every. This one, I carry this one, this occasion, I give her this thing. Just tell her, say, read. She cannot only, they'll say, welcome to this occasion. Just give her now, say, they say, Okpaika, read that, welcome to this occasion. Read that for, help Okpaika read that, 20 times, you may enter a brain. If you reach occasion, you go hold the paper like this. You know, go fisty read that. Okay. What negare? Just they use it for frustration. If it one carry frustration this year I did. She thinks I God the way when she take Gog. Where Ulogo not seki you? Ulogo not seki you. Wait there. Where your frustrated women when they follow you that time? If you quick you can they kind all those frustrated women. Many mere so tall. They not go fit match where I pass. Not be by mouth. They don't fit. I dey chest on. Because I don't come they do like this on Facebook. Wow. I don't live fake life. I don't use fake things. I be original. That make me not the boast. My boasting. Useless old goat. Go and bring Priscilla. Go bring Priscilla. Come Europe with your grandchildren. See UK. UK don't be like as Lakpaduza road stay open. Now so UK be. UK now, and the second Lakpaduza now be UK. If you especially for Nigeria, do visa for a man. Before tomorrow, you don't do UK. You can't even just acquire. Go ask for the acquirement. Ask for the acquirement when you will take care of Priscilla. May you still come see abroad before you dey talk. Ask. All you just know to just come social media to be committing abuse and nuisance. That is what you have in your brain. Because there is nothing going to sit on your brain. Nothing is going to sit there. Because Emerere no say it's not working. There is nothing will sit there. All you know, all your eyes always speak. Rubbish. When your eye pick the rubbish, your brain, your delinquent brain, it go magnet. It go just a fool itself. Or can you imagine? What is yo? Is that a language? That language, do we have it inside dictionary? Yo? Where do you get that wish language? Yo? Tell her me can't spell yo now. She cannot even know the first alphabet when yo test start. People, you are a disgrace. And they will say, now, na carry brew. Una they use until they sweep for Facebook. Now they find money one and want to chop. It's a disgrace. So they tell say, that you they mad. Well, I don't know, so Agba, they crazy. I mean, do the zuzu. Wagbeo, heavy. Because the brain is so fucking disabled. I don't even know. Did she really have disabled brain? I would say she have disabled brain. I think she should be she's on the best side. Yeah, she's on the best side. She don't even think before she proceed. She don't think before she shoot. No. If they don't throw away something, you don't come out. She won't be the first person. She just want to be first person to do it. When she don't do one, she doesn't say the one we see get brave person. They come to do another thing. I don't matter it. Now so they drink water heavy. Now so how can somebody be drinking with bottle? Okay, more and I said they drink water. Unde no never kill inside. Ow! You call it over the never kill you. Unde, I will kill you, yeah. I will kill you, yeah. I don't kill you. Oh, my baby. After I walk you. Ah! I walk you where I got no tawunwe. I came no tawunwe walking. If they find word for a walking person mouth, they hard. I don't even know where she's coming from. A walking people. Now I let they talk. Hello. You know that they see people, You know say if you want to say something about Ishan people always use I talk. You know, we get the way we tell. When we talk like this, we don't already know. No need to say wahai. No. Once we don't then you don't understand it. That when we say wahai, we know they talk. We don't. If not talk, you they talk now. Once you don't do like this, get the way where you just do. You don't understand. So that matter they don't drop on. They want to talk and pass there. If they find for the whole chance a whole, the people that talk with body language now evoking me. I have moved with a lot of evoking me. They don't talk too much. They use body language or either tire hotel. I don't even know where this anumanu is coming from. I thought I say, now Ikbenke. When mama go born they put that time. And they buy the match of finish, now they come for Ikbenke. Come evoking me. I can evoke me get this kind of product. Evoke me person. No. I've moved with evoke me people. Go to Vicenza. Evoke me people full Vicenza. Go ask them. Go meet them. Say, Ini Kari. They go tell you. Wah. They go ask you, say, Ini Kari when they tell. Now, so if you see evoke me people, so don't relocate, go London now. If you see, I'm not just one man, they mention their name. What you already Ini Kari. Now they go ask you, say, Dini Kari no weje. Only mele. Which mama carry the thought the one when I know. If you were bolu eje. What if mama carry do you? Useless woman. You are ashamed of yourself, goat. Don't forget. See, your disgrace is everywhere. Your disgrace is around the globe. Your disgrace. He enter Vera as a party they talk. Your disgrace enter Vera. For everywhere, split. You want that? Kiwa. They go bare kiwo. With there. Did lovely. Then I just say me. You don't know me. Me I'm wicked. Ikeke da na mu dore vawo. I go from back. Do you know what is backstab? Kini keke stab wo. Ki gbugdo wo. Eri kwako kan we koko. Wait there. Because you are a lunatic. That is why you could be able to gather lunatic like you. Because you were not wet trained. You are a fool. Where are they? Where are those women? Where those women? Yes, she say before they call her mama. Mama, where they? All of them, when they call you mama that time, where all of them? The last time I checked. He got one when we call it be friend. The last time I checked, he still got that one. If one person see snake, he go call him python. Now he made they send two people go check him. Wait which snake he be. As when I see this woman by myself, I was very proud. I was very happy. I have the greatest joy that everything when they talk about at that time, everything can show disgrace. Because they talk say lovely. What they should say lovely. That you look me address it not say you dey craze. Vala be. I mean what tell her. You really va talk. When he illiterate, when he na be petition everyone. Let that one go come pick you. Let that one police will come pick you. You dey mad? Lovely. If I not let me see your address, I say, oh my God, I am shaving. Oh, am I shaking? Oh my God, I'm catching cold. Oh, she want to see my address. I should keep my address. Oh, I'm catching cold in me. If I see your address, I go from let down for here. Now for here they go from find you through Facebook. Country me, when you talk of computer wizard, they kill you. Either you go choose where you want go prison. You go choose whether you go prison for London there or they will transfer you come here. And you know how to. If I want to do, I go close eye. Ya muy bad we can sign up. Where are go see or why bisu be or well of like your way ye kill yeah. Yeah. I stubborn die. When you come to my path, I will crush you so that you know even your children where your ho ya gbele when you know he fry. If I dey kill you, if I dey buy you when before, the egg when you lay, I go cook you Jonah. I will cook the egg, don't the fowl. One can use me to do these are Bini people. That you want to use because they do I say see this also. Yeah, baby. My beer got that tea, all those irrelevant tea. When I see we primary school, it's a pity that at the end of the day, we are doing something like a lunatic like you. It's a pity. You don't have say. You don't have say. Shut up. This one when no get say. Oh, you're gonna talk. Facebook do me well. You can speak when you are not allowed to speak. You're kind of like they speak the message to your vie. People when they say message to your vie, you know she that disgraced the area. That one when you dey Paris, when they go bring bed when they sleep, bonny bed no say just seke. Mudwa wewe walking. They say deny the bed. Now say no be she get the bed before she get house when she want put bed. Irio yore na so yore best me seke. Awaruan, awuki. Na mugbe baba. You know they this planet. You know they this world at all. Very stupid person. Somebody that drop out primary 4. Where's a Canoria? Can you talk to junior secondary school, JSS 1, JSS 2, JSS 3? You will fit talk to them when it comes to say if they want to write. Where this about natal, you don't ever enter hall. You don't do work. You don't do work exam. You don't see hall go long. Which I don't common entrance. When now you all we common entrance exam. Primary school where that one can now. Common entrance exam. When now in school boy. No. You don't do anything. You do what you do GC. Nothing. She just they can't get they say and they say message. Are you mad? The message that you are sending, say you send message, give this person. Who don't the person they help you write down. You don't even know what that they write for you. I send message, go give that one. I send message, go give that one. Something that you cannot compose by yourself. Write anyhow, me will see how you take write down. No. Okay, yeah, I said the message in Georgia. Good evening, love. Jesus, how you doing? You see Jesus or be Jace? Huh? How you doing? Long time. I mean, waka comot. I travel. I no fit shout. You go see that one. She said she travel. Yes, she travel. Good. You know she travel. I travel. I travel. Come on for Facebook. Go ask. I will better money. I say if I do something, I know they can't use it yet. They tell you about my plan. Are you mad? I'll carry my plan. I'll come meet you. And they zuzu. Did you have brain? Now people when you get brain, neither they tago plan together. You don't have brain. She don't even know how to calculate something. Also, how many things you don't say for Facebook? You don't say make this way they take the bomb piquet. Come reach today. They don't see who give medicine drink. He carry and this he come a gele. You don't see who buy gele for your hand. After gele, he carry shower yeri come. Your maid they sell gold. You don't know say Nigerian women they when they sell gold. You carry shower yeri come. Nobody buy. Wait, may I read your comment? What do you talk? You want make I swear Ogun for you? No, not try am. May I delete your comment? No need when I want come. Ogun dey Okpaika. Instead of me to give you that Ogun, make I give am to Dede na wish. If you are mu who be your aunt? Who be your auntie? Person when they give am respect to your robot, no so don't with respect if ya. Thank God say you say auntie Dede na witch. Make I write am for here. May I buffer until the day na winch. The course when I will curse you, make I curse until the day na winch. I'll valak be the day na winch. This useless woman. I beg, comment if you don't see something that I beg, don't waka they go, don't provoke me. Don't let me cut rope. This useless woman, you will be that commenter. I only commenter now. Oh, commenter now. You don't talk well at all. If they say this woman, we are fine, my darling. I your too love. If they say this woman, that commenter, what will be your name just now? Edo waiting. Edo. If they say this comment, they then I wish na your auntie. You no go slap the person for face. Where that could be on this your auntie when they disgrace himself. You don't talk to auntie. Praise the Lord. Kata don't come off from my nose. Mother, give me tissue. Me we kata. Commenter. See how kata don't come off from my nose. Papa, where the tissue went where? This commenter, oh, yeah, but no say I don't want to provoke. This commenter can't provoke me. Aye, child. Ah, so now two na come dey call her now. Hey, Auntie Ramata. You know any commenter now? Why we have go? Why that Jeremy? Hey, baby, ba. Auntie Ramata. Auntie, they not wish. So they know they call you Mama again. Mama. Mama. Leave Lovely alone. That Lovely said too stubborn. You know the young one. And you the time for here, so Lovely they Lovely they use it they do live video. You don't laugh. Now your auntie. Edo, now your auntie. This woman now your auntie. Papa, give me tissue. You don't come up for us? Come on here. Come on here. Leave this place. Aya. You won't go outside. Never go outside today. Now me come to cry so. Papa, lock the door. Make you go to cry for up. Lock the door. This one. Oh, where auntie? Person where people, you know how many people they call her mama? They strip her naked. You know, they give her name. They strip the name out of her. You know, when you give something, when you give post to somebody that is irrelevant, if you want to take the post, then you will strip the post out of her. Then we sweep the post out of her. Now me if I talk say 12. I cannot even call her auntie. Now her name is Ededena Wench. Now what? Now wow. Get rich how they do. Oh, where auntie? Now wow. Now let my sister here. Oh. You got my sister where they call her mama. My sister they call her mama that time. Now, if I tell my sister, say, where your mama? You will say, don't tell me that thing again. May I go chop? I'm hungry. You say her name is Ededena Winch. She is a disgrace to her daughter. I put on for her. Let me pin it. She's a disgrace. You, Edo, my sister, they call her Mama. Mama. If I tell that one, say, you don't hear of your mama. You will say, oh, hey, no talk again, no talk. You will say, no, don't talk again, no, don't talk. No. That one say she regrets as she takes see this useless woman. Everybody that know this woman regrets why they know this woman. She's a totally a disgrace, totally insult to us. I know this kind of vavu, ewe, copand goat, ewe. Though the message when I send her, I tell her to go and bring her daughter before she talk on social media. She's not allowed to talk. When she's talking now, for me, she's not saying anything. She's saying rubbish. If she want to talk to people, let us see what she can be able to put on desk. Now, waiting when you put for desk, now they will give you, now you'll take a respect from us. She don't have something on the desk. There is no way she can earn respect for us. We have treat her the respect from her. We don't treat her common for a body. You know, we don't demote her. We demote her. We treat the respect common for a body. She's under demote. We demote her. She's a nobody. Let it come and start ranting. If you start feeling, she will get inside. You should go drink her medicine. Go and take your peace and rest. Yari pee ni avion we wa won for ne who ya lori e. Or where auntie. You don't come out for mama. Beg on behalf. You beg on behalf. So you know they call her mama again, auntie. I say this woman, that Benin woman, when they sing music, when they say she did they do live video since. I say that woman, you know that woman 3 years, he carry her children. You not even take that woman, yeah. You not take her 3 years, you not even take her 2 years. The woman carry her children go United Kingdom. Talk. She don't dey Europe for over three decades. Pisilia, my pikin be that one. Is still there Nigeria. They what did she have to say? Did she really get any opinion? Did she have opinion to put on people issue? No. Who should they talk to? Like, for example, now you can say message to Lovely. You know. Message to who? I pray. The day you say they'll say you say message to Lovely. I will write for there, say go bring your pikin come Europe. In the day when I will not say you dey relevant. If I go, I will see say you don't go welcome your pikin for airport. Now I will say the journal which don't dey relevant. At this time, you are a fool. There is nothing when you defeat do. Only way to defeat do. I dey go work. I do pay you winner. I do pay you winner. Me watching winner. Me do pay you winner. I know that as you go work rich, who you better pass? No. As you go work rich, you don't buy bag of fries for me, even spaghetti. You buy for me. Wazara. That day when that one they use my house, say they do saga. She was pissed up. She don't buy the saga for Lolo hand. She don't buy the saga for Lolo hand. Why you don't do the saga again? She thinks say she got the saga, come show at the house. Ungwa gbe. Ungwa no gbe, ine gbe. Ayere na. Ungwa gloria, ungwa yes gloria. Amiega la fe, erebo se lo bois. Orobu numu va eva gbon iri ona ewokin iro esulo. Idiot. See every person when you go from abroad, buy ticket go Nigeria, she not get a space. Now people have see they go stay. You are a fool. Me now I can't buy ticket go Nigeria. If I can't go, I stay my bunk. If I dey come next time, people go date the house. I dey craze. If I want give I know they use that one. This one on my own. What do you have? What do you get to tell person? Which motivation you want motivate person? You are every angle of your life, you failed. Every angle of your life, you failed. You haven't married since you got to this age. You don't marry. You never marry. You never reach husband house. Does it say you still dey the husband house? The husband house tire you. Now you pack your load comot. You have never test husband house. Man prick never touch you if he raise. Don't tell where you don't fuck. 90 million did not date. The other day now she got the down. She be goat. She be goat. She be goat. She be goat. I say, fool. Anyway, you call this one auntie. Well, go to me and check what your auntie wear. She has nothing to offer. Only what she have to offer gongoro. You think you can offer me gongoro? I don't deal with gongoro. Harry, right,